Welcome, welcome, welcome to Desert Just Planning. If you've never been here before, I'm glad you found me and I found you, and I hope we stick together with our creativity. By the way, if you subscribe to me, I will go ahead and subscribe back to you, especially if you're a content creator or a planner or any of that. If you're just, like I have a page just for personal, like just for me, and it's not, then, and you're not really big on publishing videos or looking for subscribers, then I'll let that be. But, by all means, I'm not, it's for inspiration, so that way if I'm inspiring you, I would love to see what you guys have, and I can inspire, and I would love to be inspired by you as well. So if you have been here before, I really appreciate that, and I'm glad that you are here, and I'm glad that you came back. So I'm going to be doing the week 1 in my home section of my planner, and we are going to set this up using memory keeping holidays and the memory keeping dates and holidays. So here we are. I am using dated from back in the day layouts. This is from 2022. I think this is colorful leopard. I have the hiccups. Is what the planner was. So it is already predated, and if you've been watching my videos, you know I don't have any white out right now. So I thought, what about this? Like, should I do the black or the cream? And then I don't know if that cream matches better. So like if I just went across the top, or because that does not match with the same color, I could do the darker one. And I don't know if that's even better. Whoops. But I'm going to use the, if we could find the end of it. I'm just kidding. Optical illusion. Okay, so. And I have that. So I could do this. Like just right across the top. But I'm afraid it's going to blend too much. Okay, not blend, like this is going to blend in with the black. Or, you know what, let's do this. So we have the dates and holidays, and I was really skeptical about using them throughout the month, but let's use them throughout the month instead of anything else. Let's use this. Now our question is that gold or silver, because that looks gold to me. So I guess we won't be using these, but we'll be using these. Let's just do that. No tape backs. So let's do that. One. Only problem is when I get to the end of the month, the very last page or whatever, I'm not, well, I guess I could because there's extra. I'll just blank them out, like they'll just be blank. I'll just leave them blank. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see, 5. I like how they're like the stars and like straight up and down. I do like that. I do like that. Now why is 6 and 7 the same dang color? Come on now. Oosa. It's alright. Alright, this is my home section. This is where the fur babies get pampered, and this is where the house gets pampered. So we're going to decorate it with the holidays, happy memory keeping, and we're going to do the 4th of July, which is Independence Day, and I'm glad that's gold. Let's go. All right, so here is a pet peeve of mine. I hate putting down the 4th of July because it's Independence Day. It's not the 4th of July. Like, it is the 4th of July, but that's not what I'm celebrating. Like the 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo. it says it's the 5th of May. But what is the 5th of May? Exactly. So it annoys me, but I'm going to do it. All right. So we're going to put the stars here. Like that. And then I'm going to put the 4th of July. Like right there. So there's that. And then we have, oh, I just tore that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, it didn't want to come up anyways. So let's see if we can't deco that corner. But we are going to try to stick it because that's what we do. That's what we do. We make it look like there was no boo-boo. Hello. Okay. There's a boo-boo and you can see it. What is up here? The fireworks? We're using the fireworks. Then that's it. Okay. So then that's the happy birthday. And then that was it. Okay. So let's pull this page out. All right. So here we go. Let's plan away. Or decorate. We're decorating. We need to cover up that like that. That's how we're going to do it. All right, we got a couple of these little bands. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put them straight across like this. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Should I go there? Should I like... Let's do it this way first. And then we have the fireworks, because we're definitely going to have fireworks. And then we will be buying the fireworks actually on Thursday, but I'm going to put them here with all the flags are just going to go the parade is actually also on the 4th. So I'm just going to try to decorate this section as much as possible. But we could do a picnic. There. So I used that whole sheet. Feel very accomplished. Now I'm just going to go crazy with the fireworks, okay? So the rest of this is just the fireworks. Now we got to get a kaboom. And maybe we should put, this is what we'll do. We're going to put this, excuse me, stuff on top of the fireworks. And I'm going to bring some of this down. And let's put some fireworks on this side. I like how it has the little things on the end. You know, it does the little thingy at the end. Yeah, that. Let's see. Okay. Can't get them to be straight, so I gotta put them up against the line. Alright. So there's that. We are using the rest of this, just so you know. Get one at least for every day. And then we can just color it, or cluster it after that. See? See? And then the center is still gravy with what I gotta do, my to-do list. So I was still able to decorate. And I think I got rid of 2 sticker sheets in my stash. I will say this, probably come next year I won't have any 4th of July stickers, so I'll probably have to purchase. Is that the last one? Oh, I got one more. Alright, so here is the 4th of July, Independence Day, in the home section. So we are going to be using the stars to set up the rest of the month. I hope it goes with all the other sticker books that I have picked for my stash challenge for this section of the planner. I use the Happy Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays and Happy Memory Keeping Holidays. And then we use Colorful Leopard, I think it's 2022. The planner layout is lined. So there that is. There's the sticker books. This is the July setup. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me set up this page, and if you did, you can like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and then I will see you guys in my next video. Later.